on. I'm actually pretty excited to go to Japan because at least it's not winter. Last time I went to Japan, it was for a HoloFest, right? And it was cold! I'd rather it be hot than cold. Emang seberapa panas di JP? Gak tau, mari kita cek. How hot is Japan now? Sekarang di Jepang 26. Soalnya hari ini habis turun hujan katanya. Besok paling tinggi 29, malamnya 24. Oh nih ada yang paling panas, mereka paling panas 33. Yeah, next week on the weekends from Friday, Saturday to Sunday it's going to be 33 degrees Celsius, by the way. 33 Celsius is like 92 Fahrenheit. Yeah, there you go. Here for all of you who do not use Celsius. Thanks, I'm American. I know, I can tell. You don't use Celsius. Who uses Fahrenheit? Americans. I'm trying to imitate the eagle noise. You're literally the only country that uses Fahrenheit. Really? Wait, there's only USA? Freedom units! I love that. You know what? I need to get that eagle sound effect. Freedom! I love that sound effect. You hear that, guys? That sounds like freedom.